goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain.
Hello, Latago.
Hello, Latago.
Hello, what's up mga amigos? So karon pa dong mingat to sa balay nila Ate Marilo kay makimo ko nung mi kuan kanang mag-store daw mi. So kay gusto lagi mo tanaw si Ate Marilo sa yang kuan kanang yang balay kay naman siya sa gawas karon. So gusto siya makita sa full design sa iyang balay karon. So ubanimin ninyo nga to mga amigos dito sa balay nila diri sa Lutaw. So paingon namin nga to karon. So gikan mi karon sa cemetery. So stay tuned.
Felt I was so radiant and free. Lately I've been seeing you in my sleep. Oh no, you never once thought about me. I think I found an accidentally on purpose left somewhere. And the way you play the guitar, maybe in the way you swear. You are as messy as love is, and you're just so old school. I can feel the vintage love every time I think the world of you. Let me fall in love like everybody else. Let me fall in love like everybody else. Let me fall in love like everybody else. You don't have to love me back.
Hello, what's up mga amigos? So karon dia karon sa balay ni Ate Marilo ni Aldo. So karon maghimo mi karog house tour sa ilang balay karon. So kauban ako ang iyang mga igagaw o iyang igsoon. So kanang labi na sa nagtubod karon sa kamera si iyang pagmangkon. So upanimin niyo mga amigos sa pag-house tour sa ilang balay karon.
24 hours later.
No.
Welcome to Anuta's house. Welcome to Anuta's house.
Welcome to Anuta's house.
Tara, samahan niyo ko sa bahay ni Ate Marilo at Aldo Anuta. Itong bahay na to ay naitayo noong 2014. Nung nagtrabaho pa sila ni Ate Marilo. Silang dalawa sa abroad bilang OFW. Ito ay nagkakalaga sa kabuuang 1M. Tara, pasukin natin yung bahay ni Anuta family.
So this is the divider. Like only ilang salaset. Mo ni ilang dining set. Mo ni ilang dirty kitchen. Mo ni ilang bathroom.
Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy.
Hi.
Oh,
Hello.
hi, te. Hello, Ate Marilo. Kumusta ka dila? Pag-amping diha sa Ladjo.
Hello, what's up mga amigos? So, andito ako ngayon sa bahay ni Ate Marilo at ni Aldo Anota. So, andito ko ngayon. Kasama ko yung mga pinsan ko at yung mga pamangkin niya at kapatid. So, andito. So, ito yung kabuuang sala niya. So, dyan sa gilid yung yung kwarto nila, kitchen, at saka comfort room dyan sa gilid. Ito yung pamangkin niya, yung makaway-kaway. Anong name mo?
Ha?
Si pangani mo?
Gila.
Sila. Say hi to
Hi, to.
Ate Marilo. Oh. Ante. Tita.
Tita.
Tita, sige. Hi Tita Marilo, sige.
Hi, Tita Marilo.
Mami daw. Hi Mami Marilo, sige.
Hi, Mami Marilo.
Welcome po kayo sa bahay ni Ate Marilo at Aldo Anota. Ito pong bahay nila ay naipundar noong 2013 nung sila pa'y nasa abroad. Silang dalawa, si Ate Marilo ay nagtrabaho bilang domestic helper at si Aldo ay trabaho bilang isang welder ng isang barko. Kumpleto po lang gamit. Meron dining set, Salasit. Napakalinis ito. Tsaka yung sa ikinga. Tapos. Tsaka hindi pa ito tapos. Kasi di pa napinturahan yung loob. Sa akin ganda na. Ito pong nakikita nyo ay ang katas ng kanilang trabaho. Mula sa paglawig sa ibang bansa para lang may ahon pamilya. At sarap kasi pag mayroon kami na bahay.
This is the guest room of Anuta's house. So this is the room of Anuta's house.
One shot, two shots, I'm drunk, who's not? I just wanna make you feel alive. One drink, two drinks, bottoms up, don't think. I just wanna lose myself tonight. And I know I'ma regret it in the morning. I just don't care now. I just wanna keep it going till the morning, or at least until I'm face down, back 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 down. Raise your drinks up, keep your head low. Let's raise a toast to the night we wish would last forever. And past midnight, can't see straight, and my vision's blurred, my words are slurred and thoughts delayed. Let's raise a toast to a night that we won't even remember. One shot, two shots, I'm drunk, who's not? I just wanna make you feel alive. One drink, two drinks, bottoms up, don't think. I just wanna lose myself tonight. And I know I'ma regret it in the morning. I just don't care now. I just wanna keep it going till the morning, or at least until I'm face down, back 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 down. Face down, back down, back down.
One, two, three, go.
Sugod na?
Oh. Okay, go.
Hi, Mommy.
2, 3, go.
Hi, Te.